Have you ever wondered if you have what it takes to face the most thrilling rides on the planet?
They come with us and face your thrill!
Today on Facial Thrills, we are at Busch Gardens in Tampa, Florida. And in this video, we are going to go face the thrill of Iron Gwazi. Iron Gwazi is a steel hybrid coaster.
With a backside of 206 feet.
With a top speed of 76 miles per hour.
Wires from 48 inches or higher can experience this thrill ride!
Do you have what it takes to face this thrill?
Then come inside!
Hey, before we hop on this ride, make sure to hit the subscribe and like button to watch more videos like this.
Ah! Okay, she did.
You guys are going up. I texted her.
Did you text her?
I did.
That was big.
I will try everything I have to keep you in there. How do you feel, buddy? It's okay. You got this. Almost at the top already. There's the swing. Out there, straight up. Other way. In front of you. Go. You're okay. You're okay. So, buddy, once the car lets go.
When you went downhill, it was pretty long when you went down the hill. Whole favorite thing, the whole ride. That was awesome.
You want to ride it again?
Yeah. If you're someone like me, you can definitely handle it. Face your thrill.
That was awesome. That is the best part right here. Whew. Anyone can totally handle it. Face your thrill. Iron Gwazi was awesome. It was probably my favorite ride here. I loved the going upside down, the flips. I'm telling you, in this one, you were upside down for like 30 seconds. I think any 11-year-old could totally handle it. Face your thrills.
Iron Gwazi was awesome. I loved the screams, and I liked when you go down the hill, and I loved turning around. You go upside down a lot. I loved it. Face your thrill.
Hey, we actually had a surprise. Our cousin Zach joined us today. Hey guys, I love this ride. Nothing's better than this. The best hybrid roller coaster I've ever been on. Face your thrill.